Today we will discuss about 71st aphorism. As it is now no longer a matter of doubt that the diseases of mankind consist merely of groups of certain symptoms and may be annihilated and transformed into health by medicinal substances, but only by such as are capable of artificially producing similar morbid symptoms. And such is the process in all genuine cures. Hence, the operation of curing is comprised in the three following points. The first point: how is the physician to ascertain what is necessary to be known in order to cure the disease? Second, how is he to gain a knowledge of the instruments adapted for the cure of natural diseases, the pathogenic powers of the medicine? The third, what is the most suitable method of employing these artificial malefic agents, that is, the medicines, for the cure of natural disease? Now we will discuss about these things which has been said in the 71st aphorism. As in the 71st aphorism, Dr. Samuel Hahnemann says that what is disease? Disease, it is a merely a groups of certain symptoms. Merely a group of certain symptoms. When you are going to face the patient, in that patient you are going to find out which things they are present as an abnormal thing. That patient, he has deviated from healthy state to disease state, and in that disease state you are going to sort out which things they are present as a complaint. So they are the group of symptoms, and these groups of symptoms, they are called as diseases. These diseases, how they can be cured? These diseases, they can be cured by those medicines only. They are having the capability to produce artificial morbific symptoms. Artificial morbific symptoms means those medicines, they are going to produce their properties in the healthy human being as an artificial morbific condition. Artificial morbific conditions means the medicine, it is having the capability to produce artificial disease in that healthy human being. So these diseases, they are present in the human beings, and they can be produced by some of the internal derangement. They are the diseases. And how these diseases, they can be cured? These diseases, they can be cured by those medicines only. They are having the capability to produce artificial disease symptoms in healthy human being. So to conduct this cure, which things they are necessary? They are the three following points. They have been given by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. Which things they comprises this process of cure? This is the genuine process of cure in the homeopathy. And as this is the genuine cure of homeopathy, it is comprised in the three following points. The first point, it is which things you are going to cure in the patient. Which things you are going to cure in the patient. They are the signs and symptoms which are present in that patient. Those are the diseases. They are the diseases, and they are going to be cured by the homeopathic physician. Means in the first point, you should have that knowledge which thing you are going to cure, that is disease. This disease, it is which type, which classifications, which miasms. These things, they are coming in your knowledge of diseases. And before going to know about the disease, you should have to know about the case taking. In the case taking, you are going to collect the totality of the disease. With the help of that totality of the disease, you are going to come to know that which things they are present in that patient. So in the first point, in short, you should have the knowledge of disease, means what you are going to cure, that you are going to know in the first point, knowledge of disease. In the second thing, these diseases you are going to cure with certain medicines. These medicines, they are having the capability to produce their own properties in the healthy human being. They are the pathogenic properties. So before going to use any medicine for the curing purpose, that knowledge of medicine means the knowledge of their manifestations, you should have to know. How that medicine it is going to act, that knowledge you should have to obtain. And after getting the knowledge of that medicinal properties, how it is acting to cure, that is the knowledge of medicine. It is a pathogenic property. Pathogenic properties, they are the properties which are manifested by homeopathic medicine in the healthy human being. And the third point it is knowledge of application of medicine to that of the disease. Means when you are going to expect to cure the disease, you are going to administer the homeopathic medicine on the basis of similarity. That medicine, it is going to act in that person, and this curing process, how you are going to conduct, various methods they are needed for the application of medicine, to cure the disease. So this is the third point. You should have the knowledge of application of medicine, how you are going to administer that medicine, which are the things you are going to adapt for the administration of that medicine, its dose, its potency, the antimiasmatic selection, all these things they are coming in the application. They are the things, they are the modes of treatments which you are going to use for the application of medicine to cure the disease. So that is the explanation in the 71st aphorism. In short, we will see what is disease. Disease, it is a merely a group of certain symptoms, and that you are going to cure. This disease, it is going to cure with the help of medicine. These medicines, they are having the capability to produce artificial disease in the healthy human being, and this is the genuine cure. And to conduct this genuine cure in the homeopathy, three things they are necessary. The first, it is knowledge of disease. The second, it is knowledge of medicine. After getting these two knowledge things, disease and medicine, you are having the third important knowledge. It is knowledge of application of medicine to cure the disease, mode of administration of dose or mode of administration of medicine. These are the three things which are necessary for the homeopathic cure. In the 71st, we have studied the three things, the 3 points which are necessary for homeopathic cure. That's all.